Hi there and welcome to my channel. In this question, we are asked which of the following defines a function f for which f of negative x equals to negative f of x. And recall that that's actually a definition of odd function. So if we remember which of those functions a, b, c, d, or e are odd function, then we immediately answer this question. But if we don't, then let's go through this equation and check which one it corresponds to actually will be the correct answer here. So let's go one by one. So for A, what is actually f of negative x? We plug in negative x into the functional form here, and this is equal to negative x squared, which is equal to just x squared, because negative 1 squared gives us positive 1. What is negative f of x? That's just negative times x squared. And we can see here that x squared is not equal to negative x squared for all x. So A is not the answer. Let's see for question for B. So f of negative x is equal to sine of negative x. And if we recall that sine is actually an odd function, then at that point we know that this is equal to negative sine of x. And f of negative f of x is equal to negative sine of x. So we see that both of those are equal to each other. They are equal to each other, and so the correct answer here is B. Then we can go, if we are out of time, we can just move on to the next question. If not, we can just double check that we didn't make a mistake here. So for part C, f of negative x is equal to cosine of negative x, which is equal to cosine x, and then negative f of x equals to negative cosine x. And again, in this case, this is not, they are not equal to each other, so C is not the answer. For part D, f of negative x is equal to log of negative x. And note that it's defined only for negative x being greater than 0 or for x being less than 0. So it's only defined for x less than 0, negative x. However, negative f of x is equal to negative log of x, and this function is only defined for positive x greater than 0. So these two functions are actually defined on different domain. So D is not the answer either. And then finally, E, f of negative x is equal to e to the power negative x. And then negative f of x is equal to negative e to the power x. We can see that these two are not equal to each other for all x, so E is not the answer. And so again, what can we recall from this example? We can recall the definition of that this is a definition of odd function, and then note if we know that this is even function, this is odd function, this is even function. This function is not even defined for both positive and negative x, and then finally this function is neither odd nor even. And so the correct answer here is B. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please don't forget to click the like button. Write me your comment in the space below and subscribe to my channel where you can find more solutions to the Calculus AB and Calculus BC problems. And I will see you in the next video.